Hello friends, welcome back to Learn and Fun with Devi. So today I will tell you about our planet Earth. I will tell that how it formed, planet system, structure of Earth, and some fun facts too. So first I will tell how it formed. It's 15 billion years ago when the whole universe was in a tiny bubble called comic egg. After 13.5 billion years, that bubble starts heating. And suddenly it blasts. And some comics coming from that bubble. Those comics were also burning. After some time, the comics cool and they come together and take the shape of our earth. But before our earth was burning too. So, some more comets, astronauts come into our planet to let it burn. After some years, a planet cooled and some rain also fell on our planet, so our planet formed. So now let's move on. Planet system. This is a planet system. This is a planet Earth. And the moon is taking round of our planet Earth. Now let's move on the planet structure. This is the structure of our planet. In the structure there are 4 layers. The first layer is crust and it is made up of solid silicate rock or mostly basalt. The second layer is mantle and it is made up of solid silicate rock. The third layer is outer core and it is made up of liquid iron and nickel. And the last layer is inner core and it is made up of dense solid iron and nickel. So now I will tell you some fun facts. The first fun fact is Earth is only a planet which is have not named after a god. Now second one. Our second one is Earth is only a planet which have life. Now the third one. Do you have been think that how with Earth's age? The Earth's age is 45 billion years ago. The fourth one. The fourth one is that Earth is mostly made up of water. That's why it is called the blue planet also. The 47% is water. 97% is water. Only 3% is fresh water. The most of the water is unfresh, salt water. The last, in the middle of a planet, till now, there is some lava at the middle. So, if you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Thanks.